to find rank correlation, what we need to do is, the question, you have to be perfect in formulas. One is RS, this one Spearman's correlation or rank correlation. They can ask in two ways, either they ask rank correlation or Spearman's correlation, in which you have to remember the formula RS equals to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square by n cube minus n. Then these are the same questions. Find rank correlation, calculate rank correlation, both are same. But here they have given ranks to us. X and Y are ranks of two competitors. Here they have not given rank, they have given the prices. We have to find rank and we have to find the remaining question. You may get direct ranks, or they may give you prizes, or they may give you some marks. Based on that marks, you have to decide their ranks. Now, if these are the things given, rank 1, rank 2. What are the ranks of this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. But here 12, 9. See, these are the ranks of both two judges which are given to two competitors in this way. First judge are given ranks 1, 2, 3 up to 12. Second judge ranks are also given to us. Now what we have to do is, we have to find difference of ranks. D, R1 minus R2, then D square. R1 minus R2, 1 minus 12 minus 11, 2 minus 9 minus 7, this is minus 3, minus 6, 2, 1, 3, 8 minus 7, 1, 9 minus 8, 1, 10 minus 2, 8, 11 minus this is 0, this is 11. So these are the, D means difference of ranks, subtract both the ranks. D square, 121, 49. Squaring, you will not get any minus sign here. 419, 11, 88, 64, 0 into 0, this is 121. Summation D square you should find. Sigma D square, if you add all the values, you are going to get 416. Now, n is, you know the value of n is 12. Rank correlation or Spearman's correlation, RS equals to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square by n cube minus n. This by is not for all, only for this value. 1 minus 6 into sigma d square by n cube minus n. Now, 1 minus 6 into 416, 2496, 12 cube, then minus 12, 1716. If we divide both of them, we will get 1.4545. 1 minus 1.4545 is minus 0.4545. The reason of doing both the problems on single board is to show the difference between these two problems. One problem, find the rank correlation. Ranks are given to you directly. How do we know that these are ranks? First rank, least value in rank is first rank. Top rank we can say. 1, 2, 3, 4 ranks are given. Here also ranks are given. But in this case, to find rank correlation, I can't consider these values to be ranks, because least value will be 1. We don't find any 1 here. So we have to write down the prices, whatever given, prices of tea, prices of coffee, then rank 1, rank 2, difference of rank, D square. Prices 75, 88, 95, 70, 60, 80, 81, 50. Now in this second case, 120, 134, 150, 55, 110, 140, 142, 1000. Now give the ranks. Rank 1. In this one, what is the value? Highest value? 95. This is first rank. Least lesser than this 88, second rank. Then 81, third rank. 80, fourth rank. Less than 80, 60. Less than 80, 75, fifth rank. Sixth rank. Seventh rank and eighth rank. So n is 8. R2, ranks of second one. Highest value is 1000, first rank. After that, what we have in second? Second rank will be 150. Third, 142. Fourth, 140. Fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Sometimes the values are repeated. Suppose 88 will be even 2 times. That we will discuss in the next video. Difference of ranks 5 minus 6, 2 minus 5, 1 minus 2, 6 minus 8, 7 minus 7, 4 minus 4, 3 minus 3, 8 minus 7, 1, 7. 1, 9, 1, 4, 0, 0, 0, 49. Sigma d square is 64. Got it? We have to write down the ranks one. By seeing that highest value, least value, accordingly, ascending order you have taken ranks. Here also in ascending order we have taken the ranks. Then difference of ranks, then square of the difference of ranks. Then whatever value n is 8, number of terms, then rank correlation. 1 minus 6 into sigma d square by n cube minus n. 1 minus 6 into 64 by 8 cube minus 8. 1 minus 6 into 64, 384. 512 minus 8 is 504. 1 minus 385 by 504, 0.7619. Therefore 1 minus this is 0.238. This is rank correlation. Now in the next video we will discuss when ranks are repeated, how to find rank correlation. We have in the previous video Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation when mean is actual. Then we have done Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation when mean is assumed. Now this is rank correlation when ranks are there, ranks are given. Here also we have calculated rank correlation when ranks are not repeated, and ranks are not given actually. We have to find ranks here. Here ranks are given, directly we can do. Here ranks are not given, prizes are given or some marks will be given to you. Based on the marks you can find ranks, then you can find the difference of ranks, square of the difference of ranks, then we can find rank correlation. Watch 2-3 times those videos and you will get this one easily.